5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so who's his name? Christopher Snow is his name. They had control. They got it right. They did. But they wait.
We were the first one that said his name.
Actually, that's right, y'all were. Gosh, y'all are so dishonest in West Virginia.
Wait.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, but y'all didn't get it right.
Yes, they did.
You drew and she got it right. Yeah, okay, so tell me about Christopher Snow, the drunken coworker.
Yes, he took his drunk female coworker to the beach. She passed out and he started taking provocative pictures.
He did start taking provocative pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And in July, he was charged with second-degree sexual offense and secret peeping photographic image.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, second-degree sexual offense, secret peeping photographic imaging. So he's on the beach with his coworker. They left the bar together, so this was a consensual kind of a thing. She lost consciousness on the beach. He began taking pictures. How did the police get involved?
Anonymous caller.
Anonymous caller called, and then the police got there, and what happened?
The police got there, and the police began, at this point, the police said Snow began improperly touching the woman and taking photographs with the camera phone. He was, yes. And then
Okay, I got all that. So what did the police do?
They took his cell phone.
The police took his phone and?
They took evidence from the phone.
So they found the very pictures that the anonymous call had. 1, 2, 3, 4. Was this legal?
It was illegal.
Why?
Because you can't take a person's cell phone without a warrant.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, Chris Snow sued. And when he sued, he said, this is an unreasonable search and seizure. You violated my rights in this instance. And the North Carolina court agreed. He was released. What did this mean for the woman?
That she didn't get justice.
That means that all of the evidence that they collected...
Fruit of the poisonous tree.
Go ahead, explain.
That
Zoom in.
Can't use any evidence obtained legally when it was led from the first piece of evidence that was obtained illegally.
Yeah, they got a warrant to go to Sprint, but they only got the warrant to go to Sprint because they had gone through his phone without a warrant on the scene, and the argument was that lack of a warrant meant they couldn't use his phone, and that because they couldn't use his phone, that meant that they could not use the evidence that they discovered by using his phone. Is there a time when, in fact, they could use a cell phone or go through a cell phone without a warrant?
Yes.
Yes.
When? 5, 4.
When the phone is unlocked.
When the phone is unlocked. 3. Anything else? 2.
Yes, they can do that when,
1. Who's got it next, Carlos?
Experience.
Experience. Yeah, you got to zoom in on that. Go ahead. Experience group.
But basically the picture was like the police can see the pictures on the phone and the screen.
When the police can see the picture, what was the example that we used in class that was like? We said
the car.
The car. What about the car?
The car, when they see through the windows, but they can't search the trunk of the car because they
can't search the trunk.
Whatever you see, it's like, you know,
in plain view.
It's in plain view. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's exactly. Anything else you want to say? 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead.
Remember the thing when they also said that he tried to push her into the car?
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
What's that? What are you talking about?
She's trying to get some points.
I know, she's trying to get some points. Are you buying this, Carlos?
Yeah. Oh, come on.
You got to explain it. What's the significance of that? Go ahead, Kevin.
Also, you say that policemen are like vampires. Give you information.
If you invite them in,
Yeah.
then I'll give you that question. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will give you that. Go ahead, click it. Pick me a category. Gotta go fast. We're running out of time.
Oh, okay.
Gotta go.
Article for 5 points.
Articles for 5. Marbury versus Madison, first-hand IC. Marbury versus Madison, first-hand IC. Go ahead, Gisleen.
It's a criminal. It was a criminal case. It was the state versus the individual, right? What? It established judicial review.
Marbury versus Madison, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 was the case that established judicial review. Click it, Carlos. Wow, that's interesting. It's way off. Case establishing the principle of judicial review, the ability of the Supreme Court to strike down unconstitutional laws. Touch the House. Pick me a category. Gotta go. Gotta go fast. Just blurt out a number.
Civil rights 4.
Civil rights for 4.
Where did the other-
Okay, yeah, it didn't go black. Go ahead. Click it again, Carlos.
Oh my God.
Do it one more time. Civil rights for 4.
No.
We already did.
No, we don't.
But it hasn't changed. That's
Okay.
okay. Just don't go back to civil rights for 4. Pick me one.
Civil rights 3.
Civil rights for 3. List all you can. Click it, Carlos. Surgeon General. First hand I see. You've got it next. You've got it next. But you have it now. 5.
So they were worried.
Who is the Surgeon General we're talking about? 4, 3, 2.
Regina Benjamin.
Regina Benjamin is the one. 1, 2, 3. And what's the story
She was
here?
working with the American Medical Association, so they thought she had a lot of credentials and she was up to par with the what was required for the seat, but she was a little overweight.
Regina Benjamin, 1, 2, 3, is actually an exceptionally qualified doctor that President Obama had nominated and got confirmed to be Surgeon General of the United States. But she was a little bit overweight. Can you explain that better? 4,
Well, they compared
3,
her to Chris Christie and
2. Oh, they compared her to Chris
Not
Christie?
Chris Christie, like the situation. Like,
2, 1. What is the term experience group that defines what she was?
She was obese.
Obese.
I said that! No! I said that! I
Carlos?
said that!
It wasn't loud enough for him.
No!
Okay, Carlos is with me.
No! I said that twice!
1, 2, 3. I really didn't hear
No,
it.
I said that twice!
Carlos
I
didn't.
looked it up.
Yeah,
No,
go ahead. Go experience
no,
group.
No! I said that twice!
Go experience group. 5,
Oh my God.
4. What's the argument about her obesity?
That she's the image that she's gonna. You know that some people say that the leader are the role model for the rest of the people. So if
Yes.
she's obese, everybody like in America, it will like think that it's okay to be obese.
So if the Surgeon General is obese and this is experience 1, 2, 3, then in fact everybody would think it's okay. Why is this obesity thing such a big deal anyway?
Because problem in the United States.
What's that?
Because that's the number one problem. In the
It's the number 1 health issue. 1, 2, 3 in the United States today. Anything else you can tell me? 4, 3, 2.
The anti-fat brigade said that it sends a bad message, wrong message.
The anti-fat brigade did say that, but I think we've kind of heard this. Anything else? 3. Quick.
You compared it to the Oprah show, where when she was fat, all her audience was fat.
Yeah.
When she was skinny, all her audience was skinny.
I don't think I quite said it that way, but how does that relate to Regina Benjamin?
Because
3,
the role model,
2,
the image that you present to the public.
1. Go. Jessica's group. You have it next.
Well, can I just say how that relates?
Yes.
Okay, so it relates because when Oprah was losing weight, her audience was kind of losing weight with her.
Yes.
And when she was gaining weight, her audience was kind of gaining it with her. So the correlation is that with the Surgeon General being overweight or obese, as they claim her to be, it would cause people who might look up to her to think it's okay to be obese too.
1, 2, 3. I think you've kind of said that already. Maybe I'm not going to go 3 yet, but there's another piece to this. What could she do as somebody...
Lose weight?
Actually, some people argued in that article that if she lost weight in that position, then others would lose weight too, which is what the correlation is to the Oprah show. Anything else you want to tell me? 4, 3.
Resign?
What's that?
Did she resign? Right? Is that?
-3.
Damn.
Go, Femantina's group.
They said it was a sexist issue because there's been overweight Surgeon Generals that were men, but she was the only one who was criticized for it.
Isn't it interesting? 1, 2, 3, and we talked about this. Women's opinions are judged, or when women's appearances, are judged far more harshly than men's are, and it was argued that this was a very sexist issue. Go ahead, Fementina. Zoom in on this, Ileana.
Then also you said that every Surgeon General had sort of like an issue at the time that they were criticized for. So there was a previous Surgeon General who smoked, who was criticized for smoking even though smoking was bad. So it kind of was similar to that in that right now we have an obesity problem, but people consider her obese, or technically medically she's obese.
Yeah, according to the government definition, 1, 2, 3, she is. Go ahead, touch the house. Pick me a category, Fementina's group. You're in 4th place. Pedro's group is off to a slow start. You got to get something right. Go ahead. Got to pick one.
Articles for 3 points.
Articles for 3. Go ahead, click it again. Ladies' night. First hand I see. You and then you, but you've got it now. Go.
Ladies, they are
5, 4.
And they get free drinks at a bar.
Go ahead and explain it to me. What does that mean?
It means like they'll go to a bar and they'll get free drinks for that night.
They, who?
Women.
Women go to the bar and get free drinks or what? 1, 2, 3.
Or discounted.
Free or discounted drinks or?
Free entrance.
Free entrance, no cover. 1, 2, 3. What was the controversy with ladies'
They
night?
said it was discrimination against men because they don't have men's night.
There was a New York attorney, 1, 2, 3, who said that this is discrimination. He said if you're going to treat women one way because they're women and you're going to treat men a completely different way just because they're men, that's discrimination. And where should this be relegated to? The 5, 4, 3. Relegated to 1. I think you have it next, experience group.